regarding the makeup which you really want to know right now, please feel free to talk. Okay, I want whatever is going in your mind, any question and answers, you can always be free to talk to us. Okay.
Okay, so on the model right now, like we have cleansed our face properly. You all know cleansing is so important, right? बिना cleanse करके तो कर ही नहीं सकते, right? Your canvas has to be really neat and clean. So we have already cleansed our face and everything, and now we are doing a moisturization. Even moisturization is so important. You're able to see, right? You guys must be having a basic idea about makeup. There's so many YouTubes, there's so many videos.
Can somebody tell me what is the latest makeup going on? Nobody? Anybody?
Anybody? This side?
HD makeup and airbrush.
Very good.
Yes.
Anything
Yes.
else? Have you studied your homework in HD makeup or in airbrush makeup? Any homework? So okay, tell me one thing. What is your future plans? Did you thought something? If you have definitely have come here for the makeup seminar, you must be having in your mind something, right? Yes or no? What? Few of they are very old student here. So I have seen them after I think 7-8 years. She's also my old student. I was a trainer for her. So it's my pleasure to see you all over here, and I'm very happy to see with that after 7-8 years and they're coming and saying me, ma'am, how are you?
She's still a sweetie ma'am for me.
So it's really my pleasure, ma'am.
Same here, ma'am.
Appreciate whatever the love given by the student to me, and I'm very happy to see all of them. Most of them have grown a lot. They have opened their luxury salons. They have settled down internationally, like USA, Florida, Canada. By doing this course, they have become a trainer, skin trainer, makeup trainer. So, maybe I'm not touch with them, but when I see their posts,
Yes.
I'm very proud of myself that they are really making me so happy. By reaching over that achievement, dream is a big thing, we all dream, but very rare people, it make it true. So I will always suggest that dream big, achieve big. Don't think about how will I go there? No, you will 110%, you will reach the goal. So you don't have to think about it. Okay guys? So come on, it should be happening. I want you to just have fun. Any questions, any doubts, please feel free.
So what are we doing now? Moisturizing. And after this, what would be the next step?
మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటూ చెప్పాలా ఓకేనా నేను ఇప్పటివరకు మాయిశ్చరైజర్ అండ్ ప్రైమర్ అప్లై చేశాను కొంచెం మీరు ప్రైమర్ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ అప్లై చేసుకోండి ఎందుకంటే ఫౌండేషన్ బ్లెండ్ అవ్వాలి కదా సో మనకు ప్రైమర్ మీదనే బేస్ అయి ఉంటుంది ఫౌండేషన్ అనేది నేను నెక్స్ట్ కన్సీలర్ అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను సో తనకి ఏమైనా డార్క్ స్పాట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఓన్లీ సో డార్క్ స్పాట్స్ ఎక్కడైతే అంటే ఐ మీన్ అండర్ డార్క్ సర్కిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కన్సీలింగ్ అని అంటే మీకు ఎక్కడైతే డార్క్ స్పాట్స్ ఉంటాయో అక్కడే అప్లై చేసుకోండి మిగతా ఫేస్ అంతా వద్దు ఇంకా
Okay, just tell me like what does primer do? She's the only one answering. And what else does it do?
It stops the makeup from going into the skin.
Correct. It actually blurs, your pores, open pores, so that your skin becomes like a plain canvas, so that you can just make up.
Guys, how many already are in this industry right now at present? Can you put your hands up? already working in this industry? You? As a freelancer? Working as a freelancer? You have your own salon? Working as a freelancer? Okay. Till now, how many clients you must have done approximately? 6. Bridal only or party or something like that? Okay. Anybody else here?
Even she's a freelancer. No, not you. She's so engrossed into that video.
Anything? Anybody else who is a freelancer or working at present? Freelancer? Very good. So,
Nice.
anybody else? Anybody else? No? Okay. I want आपने कभी ट्राई मतलब आप मेकअप ट्राई करे और फर्स्ट टाइम सेमिनार के लिए आए? फर्स्ट टाइम आए आप? फर्स्ट टाइम. सो आप यू वांट टू प्लान फॉर द मेकअप राइट? फ्यूचर में मेकअप करना है स्किन मतलब आप लोग को क्या इंटरेस्ट है? व्हाट डू यू रियली फाइंड योरसेल्फ टू बिकम अ स्किन ट्रेनर और यू वांट टू बिकम अ स्किन सॉरी यू वांट टू बिकम अ स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट, यू वांट टू बिकम अ मेकअप स्पेशलिस्ट, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट टू प्लान? Hair trainer like me or hair specialist like me? Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, ma'am. So, see, I'll tell you one thing, guys. This, if you find, I will tell you, we have a lot of courses which have a diploma, advanced diploma, post graduation we have. Then we have specialized with a lot of subjects. Like if you can see, we have even the clinical. Like running business. If you see right now, is the salon and the clinic both. Okay, like paramedical, microblading, and you will see lip corrections, permanent makeup. We do all these things, and we make you perfect with theoretical knowledge as well as we give you a practical knowledge. So once you join here, it is something where you will learn everything.
ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? ఆ న్యాచురల్ షేడ్ తీసుకొని ఫౌండేషన్ అప్లై చేసుకోండి ఫేస్. సో నేను మ్యాట్ తీసుకున్నాను ఫౌండేషన్.
I wanted to know, like when you go for a makeup, especially for as a freelancer, or when you see any video, you always see a flawless makeup in the videos, right? And when you go and do it, when you see in the video that flawless makeup, okay, with a very nice shiny and with really high definitions makeup, and when you that goes and reality when you do, you always 20% you get dissatisfied, like why I'm not getting that, right? Yes or no? When I see in the YouTube, it is wow. And by yourself, customer don't know, right? You give your 100% best, but why that 20% you're not getting satisfied? So always remember the work what you are doing, it's 100%. जो भी आप काम करते हो वो 100% ही है. इट्स ओनली 20% जो हम यूट्यूब करते हैं या फिर हम कोई सोशल मीडिया में पोस्ट करते हैं, इट्स अ मोस्टली लाइटिंग. सो डोंट गेट डिससैटिस्फाई योरसेल्फ कि ओ मैंने वो जो यूट्यूब में देखा या अगर मैं कहीं पे देख रही हूँ लाइव में भी मतलब इतना फ्लॉलेस आता है और फिर इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ लाइट. सो आई विल टेल यू, पर्सनलाइज योरसेल्फ व्हेनेवर यू डू योर वर्क. आप एक रिंग लाइट लेके जा सकते हो. नाउअडेज रिंग लाइट इट्स अ पोर्टेबल, यू गेट इट वे यू कैन जस्ट, अगर आपके काम के लिए आपको एम्फेसाइज करना है और फोटोज लगाना है इंस्टा पे या फेसबुक पे, प्लीज़ एक रिंग लाइट लेके जाओ और उसके लिए जब बिफोर एंड आफ्टर फोटो याद से निकालना. ठीक है. सो दिस विल बी अ फ्यू टिप विच आई वांट टू गिव यू कि डोंट गेट डिससैटिस्फाइड या अपने आप को नाराज़ मत हो जाना. प्लीज़ आप एक रिंग लाइट लेके जाओ बिकॉज इट्स अ पोर्टेबल. आप आपके बैग में भी रख सकते हैं. हर सिटी में आपको हर टाइप के मिलेंगे, जैसे कि मैं आ गई यहाँ everybody where nowadays it's like every place you will find all type of people, like South Indian, North Indian, East Indians, Manipuris, everywhere, right? Yes or no? So you now South Indian, though we always show the makeup in our school, like because we are in the south. But now we want to show you North Indian because कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम कोई भी टाइप का आज हमारे पास कस्टमर आता है तो हम उनको ये नहीं बोल सकते कि I know only South Indian, है North Indian या फिर है Muslim bride, I'm giving a touch of South Indian. Okay, so it's better, you know, we should learn everything. Yes or no? So the next seminar which will be really keeping our back, that's a Muslim bride. So I want you should be more enthusiastic when you come. और मैं आप लोगों को और ज़्यादा देखना चाहती हूँ जब हमारा नेक्स्ट सेमिनार होगा, फिर उसके बाद हम साउथ इंडियन वाला करेंगे. सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी लाइक आपको कोई डिमांड है, यू विल ऑलवेज प्लीज मैसेज अस इन आवर स्कूल नंबर कि वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर दिस सेमिनार. एनीथिंग, नॉट ओनली मेकअप बट इवन द स्किन ऑल्सो, स्किन मेकअप एंड यू नो क्लिनिकल के लिए कुछ है आपके पास where you want to see something like nowadays which is going on microblading and which is going on PRP for the hair, Botox we are going on, then we have chin reduction. तो आपको कुछ और ऐसा सेमिनार है which you really are interested, please give us a feedback. हम definitely will keep a seminar for it and fourth हम देखेंगे कि आप वापस से हमारे पास आते रहे. Okay?
You all know today's seminar is a free seminar, right? So you can anytime drop in your suggestions what you want to see next, और क्या देखना है, क्या सीखना है, कुछ भी. ऐसा करता है कोई institute? I have never seen any institute doing something like this.
Do you want mine?
हाँ correct.
तुम्हारे पास भी? अच्छा.
अभी आपने जैसे बताया सोशल मीडिया में the makeup looks so flawless, it's all because of filters and all that.
Light.
Lighting. So we can actually tell the customer also, जो आप देखते
Ring
हो
light
इसमें
लेके आओ.
नहीं, कस्टमर को आप बता सकते हो ना, जो आप देखते हो वो वैसा नहीं होता, but ये ऐसा है, रियल है. सो रियल से वाकिफ कराना चाहिए कस्टमर. हाँ नहीं, या बोलो.
बोलो. Okay guys, I wanted to tell you one thing. Recently I have seen a post. In a post there was a lady, I think so she was a lady, not a girl who was about to marry. There was a lady, I was in 35-40 years. She came and she said one of the makeup artists that she wanted Deepika Padukone look. Okay.
Yeah.
So that really I'm telling you, it was 70-80 was the look was given by her. But you know, I will tell you, when you're doing the makeup, especially when somebody I want a Katrina Kaif, I want a Deepika Padukone, or I am looking out for Anushka Sharma, right? Her name is. Okay, some of the celebrity XYZ. So please tell her that we can't give, don't say this. Okay, please, ma'am, she is a celebrity, you are not the celebrity. See, for us the customer is a celebrity. Yes or no? Why will she come to me? I have to make her celebrity. For me, she is the celebrity. Okay, that's why. That's the reason she has come. Because see, we also when we go to stitch the clothes, we try to always that I want that Pakistani dress, or I want that lehenga which that heroine has wear, and the tailor stitch, right? Not 100%, but they give us. They satisfy us. Yes or no? तो वैसे ही हमें satisfy नहीं 100% देना है. और अगर आपको जब बोलना है कि मैम वहाँ पे वो इतना ग्लो क्यों करते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द रिंग लाइट्स. सो यहाँ पे भी आप कैरी करोगे तो उनको अगर वो रिंग लाइट्स के अंदर पिक्चर दोगे तो वो भी खुद सेटिस्फाई हो जाएंगे एंड दे विल बी 100%, दे विल फील दैट यू हैव गिवन द बेस्ट. ओके, तो उनको मत बोलना कि हम नहीं दे सकते. अगर मेरे पास आके कोई बोल रहा है कि मुझे ये लुक चाहिए दीपिका पादुकोण का, आई विल रियली गिव इट, मैं दे दूंगी. I will not see कि you don't have a skin texture, you don't have a flawless skin, you don't have height. No, मैं कभी उसमें खामियां नहीं निकालूंगी. I will never remove any mistakes in her. Okay? अगर मुझे कल आके कोई बोलता है मुझे समंता का मेकअप चाहिए, yes I will. तापसी का हेयर स्टाइल चाहिए, yes I will. I am that. I am a makeover, right? Yes or no? So you are the makeover. You should never say what? No. आपको हमेशा बोलना yes. Yes, we will do it. I am going to give it. Okay? And please update yourself. ये नहीं कि आपने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किया है, मास्टर्स किया है 5 years पहले या 10 साल पहले, अभी मुझे पूरा आता है, मैं आई एम द बेस्ट. टिल नाउ आई ऑलवेज ओपन माई सेल्फ फॉर लर्निंग. आई ऑलवेज ओपन माई सेल्फ लर्निंग बिकॉज जो ये इंडस्ट्री है यहाँ पे all the customers, all the people are more professional and educated. उनको सब पता है, हम उनको नहीं बना सकते, टोपी नहीं पहना सकते. They know everything. तो हमें हमारे सेल्फ को अपडेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Try to, if you have already done the course, try to come in short term courses. We have short term courses like for 10 days, 15 days, everything. So you can come and update yourself. You can always update in your messages what trends which is coming out right now, latest technology which has come right now. Okay, now airbrush and HD makeup is where that makeup stays for 8 to 9 hours on the skin. क्यों आया है ये सब? Because nowadays a bride will never come after 2 hours for touch up, right? Yes or no? She has to attend at least 2000 relatives which they have come. So she won't come. 1 minute में मैं आपके पैर में पड़ती, पहले मैं जाके टच अप करती because मेरा शादी है. She won't do that, right? She want a makeup. They are ready to pay how much ever you say. A bride will always never negotiable कि मेरी शादी है, आप 10,000 बोल रहे तो प्लीज 3,000 में मेकअप कर दो. No, she want the best. Yes or no?
She wants to look the best on that
She wants to
day.
look an angel. Daddy's princess. You know, Papa ki pari. So so this is what you have to always see, that you are always in the latest trends. Please see you are in update till now. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ये अभी कोर्स किया और 6 महीने के बाद बोल रहे कि आई एम नॉट, इवन आफ्टर 2 months इट्स गोइंग टू चेंज, वी डोंट नो. देयर सो मच ऑफ प्रोडक्ट हैज कम इन द मार्केट. So you have to update yourself. Okay, anything you require help in a counseling, consultation about the new technology which Anuj has come with, please talk to us once the seminar is done. We can help you to guide you. You know, how can it be possible, what you can, we can, हम आपको आपके हिसाब से मॉड्यूल्स बना के दे सकते. It's not that कि you know whatever the modules we have, we are going to teach you, we will tell you no you have to take this. No, we will specialize the module which you are interested. We can help you out to work out like that for you. Okay guys, so yeah, you can.
ఫౌండేషన్ అప్లై బ్రష్తో అప్లై చేసుకున్నారు. ఇన్ కేస్ మీకు ఎక్కువ అనిపిస్తే బ్లెండర్ ఉంది కదా, బ్లెండర్ని వెట్ చేసుకొని బ్లెండ్ చేసుకోండి. సో మీకు ఈవెన్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఐస్ ఒకవేళ మీకు ఐస్ దగ్గరే కావాలి అంటే మీకు చిన్నవి కూడా దొరుకుతాయి. ఓకేనా, దీంతో ఐస్ దగ్గర బ్లెండ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇన్ కేస్ ఒకవేళ మీకు ఇంకా కూడా కవర్ అవ్వలేదు డార్క్ స్పాట్స్ అనుకుంటే మీరు పౌడర్ అప్లై చేసుకోకముందే మీరు మళ్ళీ కన్సీలర్ అప్లై చేసుకొని కొంచెం డార్క్ ఫౌండేషన్ అప్లై చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ ఫౌండేషన్ అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫౌండేషన్ అప్లై తర్వాత బ్లెండింగ్ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ దాన్ని ఎలా లాక్ చేస్తారంటే పౌడర్, లూజ్ పౌడర్తో లాక్ చేయాలి. మనం కాంపాక్ట్ పౌడర్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు, ఎందుకంటే లూజ్ పౌడర్లో పార్టికల్స్ చాలా థిన్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ కాంపాక్ట్ పౌడర్లో చాలా థిక్ ఉంటాయి. సో మనం పౌడర్ అప్లై చేసుకోవడం కూడా నేను ఎలా అప్లై చేశాను, జస్ట్ డాబ్ అండ్ డస్ట్ అప్ ఇలా పెట్టి రాయొద్దు, ఎందుకంటే మనం అప్లై చేసిన ఫౌండేషన్ అంతా రిమూవ్ అయిపోతుంది కదా. సో జస్ట్ డాబ్ అండ్ డస్ట్ అప్. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ పౌడర్ తీసుకోవడం కూడా కొంచెమే తీసుకోండి. మీకు జస్ట్ ఫౌండేషన్ లాక్ అయితే సరిపోతుంది కదా, కొంచెమే తీసుకోండి. ఆ కొంచెం తీసుకొని జస్ట్ మొత్తం రౌండ్ సర్కిల్స్ ఇలా చేసేసుకోండి. ఎనఫ్ అది. ఇంకా మీకు ఎక్కువ పౌడర్ తీసుకుంటే వాళ్ళు వైట్గా కనిపిస్తారు, వాళ్ళకి నచ్చదు. అండ్ మనకి ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్గా అంటే ఐ మీన్ ఇక్కడ ఐ కార్నర్ నుంచి మీకు ఐబ్రో కార్నర్ వరకు రావాలి. సో కొంతమందికి ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఐబ్రో కొంచెం పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ వరకు. సో అంతే కాకుండా మీరు మీడియం తీసుకోండి, డయాగ్నల్గా తీసుకోండి, ఐ కార్నర్ నుంచి డయాగ్నల్గా పెట్టేసుకోండి. ఓకే, కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారు ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఐ షాడో చేసి తర్వాత ఫౌండేషన్ అలా, కానీ అది ఓకే, ఆ ప్రాసెస్ కూడా ఓకే. బట్ మీకు లాస్ట్ ఫైనల్ ఫినిషింగ్ వరకు ఐ షాడో లైటన్ అప్ అవుతుంది. సో మళ్ళీ మీరు అప్లై చేసుకుంటారు కదా, మళ్ళీ మీరు అప్లై చేసుకునేటప్పుడు కింద పడుతుంది. దాన్ని మళ్ళీ రిమూవ్ చేయడం ఎలా అని మళ్ళీ మీకు అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మొత్తం మనం మామూలుగా బ్రష్తో రిమూవ్ చేస్తే అక్కడ డార్క్ సర్కిల్స్ లాగా కనిపిస్తాయి. ఇన్ కేస్ ఒకవేళ రిమూవ్ పడిన అంటే నేను పడకుండా చేస్తాను, కేస్ పడినా కూడా దాన్ని రిమూవ్ చేసుకోవడం ఎలా కూడా చెప్తాను మీకు.